Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have an exciting product reveal. These are the October release dies from Scrap Diva Designs. I just got this in the mail and I wanted to come on and show them to you. These will be available on scrapdivadesigns.com on October 1st. So feel free to use my referral link down below, and if you order through that link, I do get a commission. Doesn't affect your cost. It just helps out my channel. So there's also a coupon code Strawberry Cream, and you'll get 10% off of your order if you use that. So let me take you through the dies. I don't have any samples made because I just got this, but as soon as I do, I will come back on and share them with you. All right, so these are all found in the new arrivals section on Scrap Diva Designs on October 1st, so you'll have no problem finding them. This one might look familiar, but it's a little different. It's called the Small Slider Set number 2. There's an alliteration. So I got out my other slider set from Scrap Diva Designs just to compare them. And this was the first one. And as you can see, the new set has much longer slider openings. So you'll be able to use this on your longer projects, your longer cards, make it a little more interactive, which is really neat. And some of the gaps that you create are a little bit smaller too, so that'll be easier for smaller things that you want to slide. So it comes with the 4 different bars and then the little pieces that you glue onto the thing that you're going to slide on the front and the back, so you can slide them across. And there are lots of videos on Scrap Diva Designs for how to create those. So that's the first set. So we can compare them. You probably would like to have both in your stash if possible, just to, be very versatile with your projects. So that's the first one. The next set is called the Fringe Style Flowers. So look at how pretty these flowers are. And of course you get different sizes to make either different size flowers or bury the petals within one flower. So it comes with 8 different pieces. So when you put this together, it leaves like a fringe, and which makes the petals really nice and delicate looking. It embosses each petal as well, so I think this will be really fun and easy to put together since there are the embossed lines already. When you go to shape it, it just makes it really easy. So I'm looking forward to putting those together. The next set, this is called the Fall Shaker Plate Bundle, and I love these. It's just so easy to, run one plate through your machine, or 2 at a time if you wanted to, and then you get so many different little embellishments at once. So this one comes with acorns and mushrooms, and then these leaves that look like oak leaves, and these leaves that look like maple leaves. So very fun to add to your shakers, or of course you can use them as separate embellishments, which is great, especially with the leaves, because you could just add those to your other flowers or just fall projects. I think this will work out really, really nicely. And of course they're a good size. They're not too tiny, but they're small enough for shakers, but big enough for embellishments. So I like the acorns in particular. I think those are super cute. And it looks like the holes cut out from the mushrooms too, so that's kind of neat. All right, so let's move on to the next set. And this one is called the Keychain number 2. So it comes with a bow, which is really nice. It's got scalloped edging. That'll be fun to put together. And there are some layering pieces here. I'm not exactly sure what kind of keychain this makes. There's the bow piece. It looks like an apron. That's probably not what it's supposed to be, but there aren't any examples quite yet on the website when I'm filming this. I'm filming this on September 30th, so it'll be nice to see exactly what it looks like when it's put together. So that is keychain number 2. Looks like it'll be fun with all the different not layers, but folds. So you could put things in there. Yeah, that's going to be cute. There's stitching detail. A nice surprise. This one is called Hey There Pumpkin Small. So it comes with the words, of course, Hey There Pumpkin, and then the U is a little pumpkin cutout. Comes with shadows for those, and then layering pieces for the pumpkin. So that's very cute. Of course, it's fall now, so this is perfect timing for your fall projects. And then there's a large version as well. So it's the same thing, but just in a larger format. I think it's the same exact thing. Yep, definitely. So yeah, the large version and the small one. Looking forward to putting that together on projects. Here's a nice big one. This one is called the Door Mini Album. And I don't know about you, but I love door dies. They're just so fun to cut out and decorate and customize for different seasons. So it looks like this is the main page that opens from the middle. So that's so cool. And then this is, looks like the bottom or a hinge, and then layering pieces, of course. Here's more layering pieces with stitching. Looks like a transom window you could put on top, or no, that's probably just these pieces. Sometimes I have a hard time visualizing pieces until I see examples, so forgive me. This one comes with these like berry branches that you could put over the door. It says, let's see, believe and explore. So very, very cute. And I think that'll be really fun. You can make it into a mini album, of course, but I'll probably make it into a card. And then there's this set, which is called the Ruffle Border Die Set. So again, there's ruffles on the flowers or fringe, and there's ruffles on this border. So this is cool. You can cut out just like the edge of a piece of paper. And this one cuts out a whole ruffle. And then I'm sure you could fold it in between. So yeah, that'll be fun, especially for shabby chic projects, I think. So again, that's Ruffle Border Die Set. The next item is this beautiful, looks like a mini album, and this one is called the Sunflower Mini Album. So lots of pieces, beautiful sunflowers. I love using sunflowers in late summer and fall projects, so this is perfect. Look at all the different layers. Looks like you can make a shaker as well. So yeah, so a mini album, of course, it comes with the like binding piece or the spine that has holes cut out, so you could just add your binder rings and you have your closure. So that's beautiful. That'll look really pretty. You can use all sorts of combinations of colors, not just yellow and black or yellow and brown. And then here's another sunflower project. This one is the small sunflower bag toppers. So yeah, and of course you can make the sunflowers separately. You don't have to put them on the bag topper. It looks like they're the exact same thing as the mini album, the sunflower part itself. So that's cool, but it does come with this extra bag topper die that has the nice scalloping and then stitching as well. That it's perfect to add that sunflower there, or you could use the bag topper for other things too. It kind of looks like a Santa beard to me. I bet you can make a Santa face there. Anyway, just thinking ahead. So small sunflower bag topper. And then this looks like the large one. So large sunflower bag toppers. And let's just compare the sizes of these. So for the mini album is even larger. So this is kind of like a medium-sized sunflower, you know, compared to the other two I showed you. But it comes with the same pieces as well. And then this will be good for your larger bags, obviously. So that's the large sunflower bag topper. And then look at this one. I love this. I love leaves. This is a leaf mini album, the fall leaf mini album. So it's a beautiful maple leaf that comes with the outer layer and then the inner layer that's stitched, and then an even inner layer. So there's 3 different layers. The one that's on the very inside is the most detailed, of course, with all the different curves and stuff. And it comes with words with shadows that say fall and welcome and colors. So you could do fall colors or, you know, whatever. So this would be fun to make into a card also, but just a beautiful like fall mini album. Maybe if you like go to the pumpkin patch. I used to make albums, or, you know, take a lot of pictures when my kids and I and my husband, we'd go to like fall festivals and pumpkin picking and apple picking. This would be perfect to make an album with those pictures. So yeah, that's really pretty. I love that. I love the fall. And then look at this truck. Isn't that cute? This is called the Truck Mini Album. So yeah, it comes with the outer piece, of course, the inner stitch die, and then more layering pieces. This cuts out the you know, truck body, and then there's a door, there's other parts for the top, like this piece that looks like wood, and then layering pieces for like the top of the truck. or the back of the truck, I mean. And then other layering pieces for the front, circles for the tires. So that is super cute. You could use this for, you know, fall projects, of course, put pumpkins or something in the back, and then Christmas or any season. So that is really nice, and that'll be very versatile to use as mini albums or whatever you want. And then the last one I think that I have to share with you, this is a jelly tote, and this one is jelly tote bag number 2. So if you got the one over this summer, oh, that was so cute, that jelly tote bag. So this one is a different shape. The one from the summer was kind of rounded. So this one looks like it's more of a rectangle shape. Sorry. And this is the side piece, and I assume, right? Or is it the bottom? No, that's the side. So the bottom would be, I guess you would use that for the bottom too. I'm not really sure, but anyway, that's the tote bag, and it's a really nice size. Looking forward, I'll probably cut this out, one of my first ones, just to see like exactly how big it is, and then we could put other projects that I make inside and you know, gift that, of course. So those are all the dies I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much, Erica, for sending these to me. I cannot wait to get started and put these together. Again, my referral link will be down below. All of these products will be listed on October 1st on the website, scrapdivadesigns.com. Don't forget to use my coupon code, which is strawberry cream, and that'll save you 10%. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Time to get crafting, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.